seconds.
Okay.
We'll start here as 150, right 4 minus, off camber, opens. $15. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, hit it. 150. Right 4 minus, off camber, opens, then 70. Then right 5 minus, off camber, 30. Left 3 plus long. So right 5 minus, off camber, 30. Right 3 plus long.
Left 3?
Left 3, sorry. Left 3 plus long. Over small crest, 100. Then small crest into right 5 short. Tightens to 3 plus. Small crest into right 5 short. Tightens to 3 plus. Then tightens again, 50. Then left 3 plus, off camber, over crest, 70. Left 5, 70 again.
Left 5?
Yes, 70 again. Then turn, right 3 short, into turn, left 5 short, cut, 200. Small crest. Into left 6 long, over slowing crest, 30, right 4 minus. So left 6 long, over slowing crest, 30, right 4 minus, 50. Then left 3 plus long. Now a left 3 plus long, 70. Left 6 short over small crest, 120. Then right 5 plus long over small jump, tightens over crest, 200. Now tightens over crest, 200. Small jump, care, 150, turn left 3 at T, 30. Left 4 over crest, down 50, then right 6, and crest 50, then right 6 off camber, into crest 50, and crest 150, then crest 40, left 4 plus long, 50, small crest 50,
Oh, I got a little too early.
Right 3 plus long, after that is 50, then a right 3 plus long, 50. Small crest 40, then right 3 minus late. Into left 3 minus, opens long. Left 3 minus, opens long, 30, small crest into right 4 plus. Tightens to 3, then opens, so care, small crest into right 4 plus, tightens to 3, then opens, 50, and care, small crest 30, turn left 2 plus, care, small crest 30, turn left 2 plus, 100.
Oh, wrong way. Yeah, shoot. Ah, whoops.
100. Keep going, keep going, keep going.
Keep going. There we go. Got a little crossed up.
Yep, you're good. 100. Left 4, 150. This is a left 4, 150. Then left 5 minus over small crest, 200. Left 6, 70. Then right 6 long, tightens, 50. Then right 6 narrow and long, tightens off camber. Now right 6 narrow and long, tightens off camber. Into left 6, 150. Then small jump, 200. Then slowing crest, so small jump, 200. Then slowing crest, care, 120. Turn left 2 at T. Then long crest, 250. Small crest, 50. Then small crest, immediate turn right to narrow. Small crest, 50. Then small crest, immediate turn right to narrow. Then 50.
Oh no! Ah, fuck.
Do a donut. Do a donut.
Oh, okay. Really?
Yep.
All right.
Right 5 plus very long, 100. That's a faster option.
Yeah, it was.
Then left 3 long. So right 5 plus very long, 100. Then left 3 long. And right 5 plus very long. Now right 5 plus very long, 50. Then right 5 minus over small crest, 120. Now right 5 minus over small crest, 120.
Oh, off camber. Wow, that's really good.
Small crest into left 6 very long, tightens, 50. And small crest, care, 50. Right 3 plus late and long off camber. So 50, then small crest, care, 50. Right 3 plus late and long off camber. 30. Then left 5 minus. And care, 30. Turn. Right 3 minus over big crest, down. Care, right 3 minus over big crest, down. Into left 3 long over crest. Now left 3 long over crest, 30. And right 4 plus short, 50. And left 3 plus long, 350. Now 350. At the end of this is a right 4 plus 70. You all right?
Yeah, I just got to cool down a little bit.
Right 4 plus 70. Then right 6 plus over small crest, 30. Braking care, left 5 plus down into left 3 deceptive and off camber.
We're good.
30. Left 3. Into right 4 minus, 70. And left 4 plus, 50. Then right 3 plus. Now right 3 plus into small crest, 70. And left 6 over crest, 250. Then right 630, and crest 250. Then care, braking right 3 plus over crest, down. 70. Stay left over small crest into right 4 plus short. So stay left and right 4 plus short, 30. And left 4, 70. And small crest 300. Then turn, left 5 plus, 70. Left 5 over small crest, 100. Then right 5 tightens to 4 minus long. So right 5 tightens to 4 minus long, 120. Left 5 minus. Into right 5 off camber, 120. Then care, stay left over jump, 70, right 4 plus, 30. Then left 4. Into right 5 minus, 180. left 5 plus over crest long. Take care here. Into right 5 minus. 30. Left 4 over crest and another crest 30. Left 3 plus. So crest 30, left 3 plus. 50 to finish. Then 400. Flat through finish, flat through finish.
Good
Nice job, dude.
Sorry about those spins. It's a little slicker than I thought.
Yep, you're good.
How'd we do compared to last time?